We had to do some new fencing to keep the goats and horses in their winter sacrifice area. The goats, they'll just climb everything. So we had to put some climb-free fencing, and then we decided we wanted to put some wood fencing just to kind of hide. So I went to a local mill and had the miller saw up some 1x6 ash boards for us, 8-footers, and then just attached them to cedar posts. So this is how we built this fence, some of the step-by-steps that we did, and then when it was all done, I just took my chainsaw and cut the tops off. But in this video, I hope you guys like it. This is how I built this particular fence. Alright, first off we want to run a string line so we can make sure that the board carries it consistent all the way across, that it doesn't look angular. So we'll just start off at our 54-inch height here and then stretch out the string line. Okay, we're just going to measure to make sure the line stays at 54 inches, or just about anyways. And I'm just going to tack a nail in to hold it where I want it for each spot. So once you get your basic line established, you want to look down it, and you may have to move it up and down to make sure that you're true all the way across. It'll give a better finished look once completed. Now if it's a little bit long, just give her a quick cut off. Okay, and then we just use the nail that the string's attached to for setting our top one. If we push it right up tight against it, then we can just screw and use it as a leveling point. Okay, once I have my top row set, then I just use this storyboard to help place all the different boards as I go. I just put it up against the top one and then screw it to the post to hold it in place. To keep the horses from pushing the outer boards off, we just added one board on the inside, just to help give it a little extra support. So if they do push against it, it won't pop that out one off. And if you have a horse that likes to chew, they're more likely going to chew on the inner one, not your outer fence board. To help prevent your gate from sagging, I just used one of the pieces I cut off the top of a post and just planted it right next to it. Just set the corner of the gate on, it'll keep it from sagging. And that's a finished product. I think it looks pretty good. I just got one section down at the end. But if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have some ideas on how you would do it, please leave the comments in the comments down below. Thanks very much.